Today we're going to look at the networking feature of the Academy member dashboard. Basically it has two purposes. Number one, to build a spine care referral network or to promote cooperative spine care. So once we're logged into the Academy dashboard, we simply just scroll down to the bottom here and we have a search tool. You can search by name where it says build your spine care network. You can search by name, by zip code, by profession, by state, or by country. We're just going to search on Prunskis, P-R-U-N-S-K-I-S, which is one of our council members, and we're just going to hit the search bar. And you can see it says there, view profile. Now, we have already sent an invite. Before the invite, it would actually look just like this right here, which says invite to network. After we invite to network, there will be an email sent out that looks like this. With the title of Join My Spine Care Team, Dr. David Durant. We can click here that says Accept the Invitation. You have now been added to the network. So we can now come back and we can scroll down to the bottom here and we can see that in my spine care network is Dr. Prunskis. If I want to click on his profile, it will actually take us to the directory where we can actually get more information on Dr. Prunskis, or we can get more information on his contact information. His email, his phone number, his city, state, zip as well. So there again, a very effective tool for the Academy members that can actually help you build your referral network team or promote cooperative spine care within the Academy dashboard.